Guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing, I can say nostalgic kind of video, or you can call it a retro back in time. Is it retro back in time? I guess so. But today we're checking an iconic phone from 2013, somewhere there, Nokia Lumia. Now, some of you guys remember Windows Phone, how they were from back in the days. Me too, I had a Windows Phone. It was such an amazing, iconic phone, and I wished it could be here after today. Not only Android, iPhone, and that, but at least we could have a Windows Phone which it's a little bit having those kind of apps which they're on the Play Store, and capability wise even throughout the iOS, and it's just something which can be working. Compare like back in the days, there was a problem throughout app compatibility on Windows Phone, but throughout there, Windows Phone was ahead of its time. Despite that, today we're checking out the Nokia Lumia. Now, what's the Nokia Lumia here? So let us just get started. Let us just unbox this kind of iconic kind of phone from 2013 by 2025, and we're gonna be enjoying throughout this device and see what's goody. So here's our. So this is our device here, as you can see, guys, and we're gonna just be unboxing it and see what's packed inside. Really nice kind of well packed box. Just know that this phone is a refurbished one. It's not a brand new one. I just got it from Alibaba, so actually not quite bad. And here is our device, as you can see. Really nice, well packed, not bad. And I'm gonna keep it aside first. Secondly, or thirdly, what we have in here, we are having the power brick. So this is our power brick, well kept. Just don't think that it will be the same as the OG one unboxing. It's completely different. Might be a little bit slightly correct or a little bit slightly different, but overall it's quite not bad. As you can see, this is a power brick and it's a micro cable, so it's quite not bad. Nothing else on the box. Do not expect like earphones or something. Nothing else. It's just the box is plain. It just comes with the charger and the phone. This is our device, as you can see, guys. Really well packed, really nice and amazing. Nice finished buttons, as you remember. There's a volume up, volume down, and a power button and a shutter button for the camera. And throughout this side, there's a micro cable throughout inside the port, which you just plug it in. I hope you understand me. And throughout here, you're having your jack port, because in 2025 a lot of devices don't have that. But another kind of great throughout this phone is the battery. It's removable, so it's like this way, and you just detach the battery just like that. As you can see, this is how your device look like. And through here it's your SIM card, and here it's your micro SD card, and this is your battery from Nokia BL5G. You just remember that whenever your battery was like busting, or you just want to interchange from back in the days, you just have to go with the Samsung model so as it can be corresponding. But overall, it's such an amazing kind of phone. To be honest, the Windows Phone is just unlocked my nostalgic kind of memory. And yeah, so let us just peel out this kind of sticker. There's a sticker somewhere here. We just have to remove that, and there we go. We're gonna turn on our device just like that, and it will be on right now. As you can see, just slide up and they're good to go. When you drop down the menu, this is your kind of status to check out all the apps and all of that, and the settings side. And I really love the settings, the way they kept it. Really nice and amazing. The settings looks really cool. You're having Cortana there, but doesn't work at all because of some few kind of problems throughout there. But when you go to display directly, you can see bunch of stuff through here. You can adjust color profiles depending on what you want. As you can see, the color profiles are here. You can try changing depending on what type of color profile you want. If you want something vivid or you just want something neutral, it's just you, depending on what you really want. So when you go back through here, you can see how the setting was really cool. Just simple like that. It's just amazing, man, to be honest. I really like it. And when you tap on the Windows button here, it just takes you back throughout the home screen. And throughout the home screen, you're having Office. When you tap on Office, though the services are down, but it shows you the 360, the sample document if you want to open, and it will just work, load and maybe something, you know what I mean? Really cool, and it's such an amazing time to be seeing this kind of device, how it works. And on top of that, you can check out throughout games too. It usually had Xbox on it, Xbox game, and thus Game Store. It's really amazing, to be honest, throughout the Nokia Lumia 520. Not only that, when it comes to the camera side, it has a pro kind of version of the camera where you're having a total control of your phone. So as you can see, this is the pro version kind of camera. So whenever I'm tapping on here, I can just take a shot, and there is my shot. And I can just tap on this side and control ISO. As you can see, you can drop down to ISO there, and when you tap on your picture, there you go. You just give it some few seconds and you view your picture and you see it somewhere here. As you can see, open in Nokia camera. So it has its own kind of special opening throughout there compared to the normal camera which you're used to directly on the phone, which is actually really, really great. So as you can see, it's such an amazing kind of stuff, to be honest, throughout the phone. And we're going to be jumping throughout the video. So as you can see, the quality wise of the video of the Nokia Lumia 520. Let's say you want to vlog, right? So right now we're going to test the camera and check out how you can vlog on the Nokia Lumia 520. Guys, what's happening everyone? So this is my video testing on the Nokia Lumia 520. You can even hear my audio because the mic is somewhere there picking up, and actually no bad at all. I can't complain that much. The video is actually no bad. When it stays the phone still, it focuses perfectly, but when the phone is not actually still, it's actually the video becomes a little bit shaky, but actually not bad. The quality wise is just impressive, it's out of this world, and I kind of love it. It's just really good, not bad. I can rate it from scale of 10 to 0 around 7 there. It's actually not bad through this phone. Still, it's capable of taking a video. It's not that much serious kind of video, but at least you're having a footage. You know those kind of low-res videos, they become memes. I'm not a meme right now, but maybe something. Who knows? Okay, you saw that video. It's so much amazing. The way the phone is picking up, really, really amazing. I took some few shots too, really great, from this place here at Cafe Coffee. Really, really amazing shots. Throughout the Nokia 520 is actually no bad. Still, it's capable of taking some pictures and videos, but those kind of low-res videos, you know, they turn out to be memes sometimes. It's kind of crazy, but it's really nice and amazing kind of phone. Still is capable of doing the great job. Another kind of stuff throughout this kind of phone, which is so great, it was the shutter button. Now, it's kind of crazy because they implemented this kind of button, which right now, Apple introduced their own kind of shutter button, which Apple needs you to sit down and take your homework very well. But overall, I can't complain. It's such an amazing thing. It was beyond its time, the Windows Phone, and still I can see the community even on the Reddit channel of the WP for Windows Phone community. There are a lot of people active there. They really push this kind of phone into different perspective. So it's such an amazing phone, and you just don't wanna, you know what I mean, miss out through this kind of device. It's so much iconic. And I hope you enjoyed those kind of pictures which I've taken. So guys, should you consider buying a Nokia Lumia in 2025? Well, the answer is actually no, because a lot of services, they're not actually working. Just some few devs out there which they're volunteering to do this great and amazing job to keep the Windows Phone up and running. I remember Windows Phone was such an amazing kind of device from back in the days. I don't know why they decided to keep this kind of device. I really loved it, the way it was working. The only thing a Windows device lost, it's the support of developers. If developers could put more hands on it, and the Windows team could suggest a little bit of smaller kind of Android in it, it would be much better. But I think greed and pride got so much high, so it made a lot of disaster. That's why Windows Phone, it was discontinued. But still, it remains as an iconic kind of phone to be grabbing if you are somebody who is a collector. Like me, I'm a collector, I can say, because I really love to use this kind of older devices sometimes, just to use them here and there. It's actually not functional at all, but I just love to be having them. It's just giving me some kind of nostalgic kind of memory. Do not expect anything goodness about this phone. It's just somewhere there keeping things on the go. Overall, it's such an amazing kind of stuff, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Windows Phone, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I'll really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace. This video is shot on Pocket 3, and if you're not subbed to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Before I just turn around like this way, left and right, and the camera is tracking me. Bye.